You are the fire in my soul. I love you forever.